Hey guys, happy Halloween. Just wanted to make a short video for you to show you what I'm doing, the honey harvest here. So the frames come in, bring the frames in from the bees. They look like this, completely capped, both sides. Then they come over here. And here I take the caps off with this here neat little tool. And it just slides underneath them and they come off. Usually works a little better than that because I have use both hands typically. So you can see them coming off there. Then they just go into a pile and they'll go in there and they'll get drained and the honey comes out the bottom. And then they'll go in there to be dried off and strain some more and boil it down, and I'll just make some wax with those and use the wax for whatever I want, candles, whatnot. So this is the spinner. Whoops, sorry. This is the spinner here. Just gonna give it a quick little spin. Take that light off of things. Give it a quick little spin so you can see the honey. See it flying off now. So yeah, the honey goes in there, drains down the edges. Lays in the side. Out the bottom here. And I know this is your guys' favorite part. Let me let loose. It's not sitting there straight. There we go. There, look at that. So there it is. It's gonna go through this top strainer. Then there's another strainer underneath that, a second piece, and then it goes down into the bucket. This is a 5-gallon bucket. I have filled 3 of them already. Lovely Home Hardware bucket. Thank you, Elliot. Filled 3 of these already, and not sure how much I'm going to get in this one, but we'll see. So there it is again. I'll just let that run. Bring it back over here. I'll show you these cappings. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day and have a safe Halloween.